to my channel. Today I am going to show you all a golden glow makeup. This tutorial can also help you out for a party makeup. So let's go. So first step is with the help of wipe. We have to wipe our face very nicely to clean all the dust around our face. So next I am using primer, which is the base of the makeup. I am using the Pore Professional Primer. I am taking little bit amount of the primer on my hands and I am gonna apply it on a circular motion very nicely all over the face. So here I am done with my primer. Now I am going for my eye base. I am applying Glam Super Color shade number FS22. So this is my base. I am gonna take little bit amount of the base on my brush and I am gonna apply it on my eyes. Now I am just lining up my eyebrows with the same shade FS22. Now with the help of sponge, this is a wet sponge, I am just blending this product into my eyes like this. So next, for concealing this base, I am gonna use Maybelline New York B2 shade compact. I am gonna take this compact little bit on my brush and I am gonna conceal this base. Concealing this base helps me out to get a smooth texture of my eyes. So after completing my eye base, I am gonna go for my eyebrows. I am using Miss Clary eyebrow cake. Now I am gonna shape my eyebrows very nicely. So here I am done with my eyebrows and next I am going for my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow I am using a golden glitter eyeshadow. When you start your application of the eyeshadow, you make sure that you apply it from the middle of the eyes, not from the starting of the eyes, so it won't go so loud. After completing this golden eyeshadow, I am gonna take dark green color eyeshadow and I am gonna blend these two colors. Now after application of this green color, I am gonna go for a dark black corners.
Change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all.
Here I am done with my eyeshadows. I had blended 3 colors and now I am gonna highlight my eyeshadow.
It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible, damage done. The thrill is gone.
Now I am gonna apply the base of the eye makeup, which is kajal. I am gonna put my kajal on my eyelids. So the next step I am gonna go for is mascara. I am gonna apply it on my eyelashes on the upward direction. After completing my mascara, I am gonna go for eyeliner. So here I am done with my eyes. I am gonna go for my face. For face, I am using FS22 Glam Super Color. Now I am gonna blend this into my skin. So for contouring, I am using FS27.
Won't change a thing now that was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt
So now I'm gonna blend this out very nicely into my skin.
tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, ain't nobody like
So after contouring, I'm just gonna smoothify my skin with this compact Maybelline New York B2.
you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that
Now I'm going for my blush.
it's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
So finally after my blush, I'm gonna go for my golden highlighter. I'm gonna highlight my nose area, I'm gonna highlight my cheekbone area and also my forehead area. Let's go. So here finally I'm gonna finish my makeup with my favorite shade red, which is from Maybelline Super shade number 20.
Once you leave me, it's over. No turning.
So here I'm gonna set my makeup with MAC Prep Plus Prime.
You come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
So here I'm done with my makeup. I hope you like this look. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss another update. Thank you so much.